Hey guys, Amy Daly here. Pretty sure this is like my fifth attempt trying to make this video, trying to get more tech savvy. All right, I wanted to show you a couple things as it relates to doing research. Now, what I'm showing you here only has to do with statutory research. What is statutory? Statutory is state law or it could be federal law. Now, this has nothing to do with case law. Case law is different. Right now, we're focused on statutory. Okay, so a lot of people get freaked out as paralegal students because they're like, oh my gosh, I don't have access to LexisNexis or Westlaw or CaseMaker. But the truth is, you will be able to find almost everything that you need without those things. And quite frankly, not all law firms are going to pay to have those services. In fact, they may even say, go to the law library. What? That's okay. The law library is actually set up pretty similar to what you're going to find online. All right. I will do a second video about case law, all right? But this one's on statutory. So I've pulled up 4 different tabs. I've got United States Code, Ohio Revised Code, Indiana, and Illinois. I apologize if I'm missing a student, but really all you have to do is research. So if you live in Florida, Florida Revised Code. Now each state calls it something different. But here it is, Florida statute. Okay. All right. United States Code. It is, if you've ever seen encyclopedias in person, you will notice that they are put and categorized by subject matter. That subject matter is then alphabetized. Each one of these titles also, I'm just opening this up so you see it, has a chapter. Each chapter has a section. I say go onto these websites and play around. See what you can find. The reason this stuff is important is because you as the paralegal have to be able to do research. And one of the most amazing attributes that a paralegal can have is that they're flexible and they're resourceful. All right. So if you're all nervous and you're working in a new law firm and your attorney says, hey, I have this client coming in, I want you to do the interview and I want you to do the research. You're like, okay, I got this. Think of it like it's an investigation. You are in charge of putting the puzzle pieces together. And the same thing is going to be as you're doing your assignments as well. You're the puzzle piece putter together. All right, that was terrible. All right, here we go. You can do search and browse, which is what I just did. Congress.gov is another website that you can go to and look up sponsored bills, House of Representatives, and if you ever wanted to look up the Affordable Care Act and have a leisure reading time, it's only 969 pages, something to that effect. And then Ohio Revised Code, theirs is done in titles. And again, it has a nice search feature. So if I look up, I can't spell it, but in Ohio, if I'm trying to find medical marijuana laws, or maybe I'm trying to compare laws, well, guess what? Federally, it's still not legal. In Ohio, it's not legal. However, it is going through some medical marijuana adoption. Okay, they're trying. But what if I'm in Indiana and I'm just picking this because it's kind of easy to research, right? I don't have any idea what it is in Indiana or. All right, apparently they don't have a problem with marijuana. What if I look up drug? There we go. So on here, it does sections. Oh, I'm only looking at Title 1. That's why. All right. If I want to, this goes by title on the left-hand side. See? And then if you open it, it will give you the different articles. And then you can search within that. Aha, here's my general search, I think. This is, all right, here we go. Medical marijuana in Indiana. Illinois, same thing. Search by keyword. I always like to show people how to find the information themselves because the internet is full of, well, things that aren't true. All right, so here's what it looks like in Illinois. And then lastly, in Florida, which I believe they were trying to pass a law there. All right, so they're all set up a little different, right? But the moral of the story is that the information is at your fingertips. You may have to play around with it. You may have to search some certain things, but really, it's all there. Try it out. Check it out. I will provide some links for you guys, and as well as this video. I apologize it's not that great, but now you know my voice. All right, have a good day.